Here's why you might be crying. So our friend in the comment section said not to cut off this root because that'll make you cry. Now, I don't find that to be true. If we just barely cut it, that leaves us with a clean butt and this dirty thing can be gone. Now, the reason why you might be crying, if you have a sharp knife, you won't cry. This is really close to my eyes right now. I'm not crying. Now this part, what do you do with it? You do the same thing. And that is how we properly cut an onion without crying. If you're crying, your knife is dull. Sharpen it. Also, I highly recommend you get one of these. If you found this tip useful, subscribe. Why you might be cutting these wrong. First off, it starts with a sharp knife. By the way, this is not a sharpener, this is a honing rod. The first way. I don't really know what to call this cut. I think maybe a gem cut. This way just seems more wholesome, you know? This is probably the best way I would recommend to dice a tomato. Now, one of the worst ways, well, let's not say worst. Let's not be that dramatic. This way just seems a little inefficient. Which way do you prefer? 1, 2, or 3? Here's why you might be cutting these wrong. Some might say this is average size. A quick way to de-seed these guys is to just insert and work our way around the core. The only reason why I would recommend doing this way is for when you want to get cuts like this. Now this way is just for nicer presentation. Here's a faster way to do it. Clean. Now, which way do you prefer? 1 or 2?